What's up YouTube, and welcome to Desi Dad Reviews. In today's video we'll be going over this, the Deluxe Haircut Kit by Wahl. Now if you're a little hesitant to go to your local barbershop or salon in order to get your haircut done, stay tuned because this kit might let you get that haircut done in the convenience of your own home. Let's get started. This is the Wahl Deluxe Haircut Kit. It comes in a large storage case made of a fairly smooth nylon-style water-resistant fabric. You can clearly see the Wahl branding on the top. The rest of the case is made of the same material. The top side of the case does feature an easy-to-use carry handle that allows you to store the case vertically or horizontally, making it a perfect fit for your undersink cabinets. So let's take a look inside, shall we? Oh my, this is an absolute mess. There's no way you're going to know what's inside. So wait, give me a second. Ah, there we go. That's much better. On your left, you have all of your standard clipper guards in sizes 1 all the way to 8. You also get 2 tapers, one for each ear. They're made of heavy-duty plastic and they're machine smooth so you won't have an issue with them rubbing against your scalp. You also get a pair of barber shears with a sheath to help protect the rest of your contents and the carrying case. There's also 2 combs, one styling and one barber. There's even a cleaning instrument to help clean up after a fresh cut, and something I don't usually see. This kit comes with a small vial of clipper oil. This is great for keeping your clippers running smooth and for cleaning out all that leftover hair in the blades. There's also a travel pouch, so if you feel like taking the smaller clipper with you for touch-ups, it's easy to toss into this bag so you don't lose everything. Finally, let's get to these 2 beauties right here. Let's clear the rest of this stuff off. This is a detail trimmer. It's made of a nice rubberized material on one side with chrome plastic accents. The other side is a shiny black plastic. The trimmer blade is metal and does not feature a half-size adjustment lever, so this will be the only position the blades work in. It's also battery operated, and you will notice a lack of power when compared to the heavy-duty hair clipper. What I do like though is that it's fairly ergonomic and it fits nicely in the hand with the power button in a comfortable position. The hair clipper on the other hand is much larger and heavier and features a more powerful motor for regular use. It has a standard length power cord, but I feel like adding a few feet to the end would make the power cord a little bit more practical. Unlike the detail trimmer, this does feature an adjustment lever, but it is made of plastic. A metal machine lever would be a better fit and finish, but we've had this set for years and it's worked just fine. The blades are made of metal, and I like how they state that it's a precision premium smooth cut. It really is. I mean, here's a clip of me from just last week in my previous review. Look at how long and unruly my hair had gotten. And look at me now. You can thank Desi Mom Reviews for this beautiful cut. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think of it. When it comes to the durability of this set, it's really good. All of the parts are well machined and it's held up really well with average use. I think the kit is perfect for those of you that are trying to save a bit of money on haircuts or if you're trying to hone your craft for your small business or your career. At a retail price of $40 US, it's not going to break the bank. However, this particular kit is only sold at Costco. Now, Wahl does sell similar kits, but you're going to have to check the product description to make sure all of the parts and all the features you're looking for are included. Overall, I think the kit is a great buy. The cuts have been extremely consistent, and with a little help and patience, you can get your haircuts done at home too. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more from Desi Dad Reviews, check out what's going on over here, and don't forget to hit this subscribe button just to show my channel some love. Until next time, this is Desi Dad Reviews, signing out.